Hi everyone, today I'm super excited to share this wonderful curriculum from Buckets and Berries. So currently they have 3 separate homeschooling programs geared towards preschoolers, kindergartners and first graders. Today I'm sharing one of the units from the first grade curriculum. Basically, each program is divided into 12 units, so you can do one a month. And those unit themes are the same whether you're doing pre-K, kindergarten, or first grade. But as you go up the levels, the activities do change and vary within each unit, and they do become more advanced. Before going any further, I want to mention that this curriculum is definitely Charlotte Mason and Montessori inspired. So, given that, children are not only going to be exposed to a lot of living picture books, but they will also be learning through hands-on activities and will be fully immersed in what they're learning. This program does come with an instruction guide which tells you how to set everything up, what to do on a day-to-day basis, and there's quite a lot of helpful information and suggestions in here, so it's best not to skip this part. You can pretty much pick and choose what unit you want to start off with. You can base that on what season you're in, what your kids' interests are, or to see if any of the themes in here align with any other subjects you're working on. Or just pick one randomly. We're in the southern hemisphere and just transitioned from autumn to winter, and there was quite a lot of discussion about trees and leaves changing color. So naturally my kids were drawn to the tree unit, and so that's what we decided to start off with. I'm just going to give you a quick flip through of this unit so you can get an idea of the kind of activities that are included in here. At the beginning of each unit, you have this yellow box with goals which tell you what the aims of that month are and what skills children will be practicing. This is geared towards first graders, but there are quite a lot of activities in here that are suitable for both of my kiddos who are aged 3 and 6. So I can use this with both, and that's just fantastic. Each unit has worksheets and hands-on activities. I also love the fact that once you select which unit to go with, all you have to do then is just print and prep everything and then set them up on the shelves, and you only have to do that just once a month. So there's no need to worry about rotating the activities every day or even once a week, because all the activities are ready on the shelf and ready to go for that entire month. As you can see, I printed these single-sided, and I'll be laminating quite a few of these activities because that makes them more durable and I can reuse them later down the track. But some activities like these, I'm just going to be putting them in dry erase pockets, so that way my kids can practice them more than once, and I also find that rubbing dry erase markers out of laminated sheets is much more difficult. This program covers a range of key subject areas like language arts, math, and science. There's also a list of extension activities for each unit. It includes things like songs, ideas for art projects, field trip suggestions, and even a list of STEM activities, which is fantastic. Here's the reading list. Most of these books are readily accessible from most libraries, so you don't need to spend a fortune on buying these books. So here I have some of the activities that I have laminated, and I have already set these activities on the shelves. We do have a few placed around the house, and my kids really love these. They're really great. All in all, we are thoroughly enjoying this curriculum and quite excited about the other units as well. There's also a couple of buying options available. You can either buy the entire curriculum in one go, or try it out by just investing in 3 units at a time. And you can choose that depending on your kids' interests or a specific theme that catches your fancy. I'll leave a link to this curriculum in the description box below. They're definitely worth checking out, and they also have some freebies on their website, which is always nice. Now I'm going to show you a few of the activities that we have gotten through so far. Like I said before, both of my kiddos really have been enjoying these activities. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you like this content, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks a bunch for watching.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
That's right. Do you want to trace the word as well?
Yeah. Cherry, lemon, cherry, lemon, cherry, lemon, cherry, lemon, cherry. Lemon, apple, apple, lemon, apple, apple, lemon, apple, apple. Pear, pear, lemon, pear, pear, lemon, pear, pear, lemon. Lemon, apple, pear, apple, pear, apple, pear, apple, pear, apple, pear.